In this video, we're going to talk about initial value problems with differential equations. In other words, finding the particular solution. And this video is really going to focus on how do you know what variable to plug in. So for example, in this first example, and I apologize, I know this is very busy, we're going to focus here on number 16 right here. And you could see if it's solved for dx dt, the bottom variable, in this case t, is going to apply to what's in the parentheses. And the top variable, here it's x, is going to apply to what's on the opposite side of the equal sign. So you could see when we eventually did our general solution, we plugged in t equals 0. That's because the t was on the bottom and the 0 is inside the parentheses. And then when we got to the x value, we plugged in 1 for x because the x variable is on top, and that equates with the opposite side of the equal sign. So top is opposite of the equal sign, bottom is inside the parentheses. Okay, let's move to another example. Here we're on 17. The bottom is the x, that's what's inside the parentheses. The top, the y, is on the other side of the equal sign. And you could see when we end up plugging in, we plug in x for 0 and negative 1 for y. A few more examples. The bottom, what's in the parentheses, x equals 1. The top, what's on the opposite side of the equal sign, y equals 0. Top, opposite side of the equal sign, y equals 2 pi. Bottom, x equals what's in the parentheses, x equals 1. Couple more. Top, opposite side, I guess you can see that O in the word top. Top is opposite, y equals 3. The bottom is what's in the parentheses. Okay. I want to just move to this last example, and in this case the initial problem right here is not solved for dy dx, but when you solve for dy dx the same rule applies. The top, the y, is going to be what's on the opposite side of the equal sign, that's the 1. The bottom variable is going to be what's in the parentheses, so we're going to have x equal to 0.